Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector, and in the case if you got one, basically when the screen protector is a misaligned, so when it's misaligned and it's not covering the screen but it's also covering the edges here, then here it will cause the ghost touches to appear. Now basically when your screen protector is alright, then don't do anything, but when you have a case too, then it can also cover a bit of part of the screen. It's very hard to find a case for a phone like that, but still you guys can try, and here make sure to buy a case that is made pretty well and is from a well-known company. So now what you guys can do after that is clean your screen to remove any debris or moisture. It can also cause the ghost touches to appear. So grab your microfiber cloth, and then what you guys can do is just give it a few good swipes. Don't go too hard on the device though. And now after swiping it up, the last thing that we can do is update our software. So go over to settings. Now here let's go back to the main page, and now let's scroll down, and here click on software update. Click on download and install, and it will check automatically if you run the latest version of your software. So if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It can fix a lot of glitches, including the ghost touches, the screen overall, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.